Why you know, so you need to fix that, and if you deal with that thing, you need to deal with him. You need to fix him. But you can't make no man beat you, brother. You look nice, you can't make man beat you.
Alright, thanks for logging in. Mr. Show. We're going to cover a Jamaican movie where men are abused as well. It's not just the women getting abused. See that bad man brother there? See that bad man brother there? Hey, you see that girl there? You see her? It's a sticky movie. Sticky situation. You ever heard about a man being abused? Constantly abused? Huh?
I wish man lap that you sit down, you know.
I'm a friend, me can't have friend.
You know, say you can't have friend, but sit down in a man lap so for you feel some me pray.
Yo. He's just being abused. He's being psychologically abused, physically abused, and his brethren tries to put him on some game.
Yeah, solid thump in your eye. Fit up.
God knows.
Watch out, man. When a big, me not going to assume that, you know, because you're a big man and you know if everything come down. So, what really are going on?
I know say on a big man level, dog, I not grow on your
Pink Panther, what really are going on?
I grow on your dog, I make you know if...
Alright, so it's not easy for a man who's being abused to come forward and admit the abuse.
Panther, sure, you're good, bro.
I tell you why I feel like to you, man. I don't do that, man.
But watch your style now. Me have fought from far.
Sure.
I know you for a long time.
No. I'm not going to talk out the thing. It's obviously I don't have subtitles, so it's to all Jamaicans, big up on yourself. It's a story about abuse, that men are also abused in Jamaica, and they face a lot of stereotypes amongst it. They can't bring it out forward. They can't just talk about it to anybody, so we're going to cover it right now. It's a good, long movie. Big up the producers, big up the actors. Let's go.
I know say you're not good, so tell me what I'm going on, man.
No, man, I'm good picture, man. Help, man. I'm not telling no lie, man. Good, man. Man, don't believe me. Why would I tell you a lie, friend?
Let me show you a look up here. You see that the lady that live beside of you?
Yeah.
She a go a road and I tell people, say, yo, what they are, I put your hand on for your lady and it a forward back to me.
So she not tell nobody when fear man a beat her with broom and rake tick over there?
But watch out, that's not the point, you know. Remember, say we not come down, so you know, we're not supposed to put your hand on no female, none at all. You understand? Remember, say me a G for a longer time, you know.
True, but when I say them a woman, I love when a man give them a little touch up dog every now and then, so they feel say the man love them, you see me? So you go man, I tell them, G.
Yeah, Pink Panther, but as me I said before, none of them something like. You know, put your hand on female, make them go on if that's be the case. You understand?
Remember, bad with body no man, and watch you know if you think a lie, man, just try with your woman.
I'm not going to try with my woman.
So you know want more respect from your woman?
Respect is not the thing, Pink Panther, you understand? And right now it look like you make the badness I get over your head.
But wait, they stick up in, now you mean say respect is not the thing. Respect is the thing, my friend. Without respect, you're coming like zero. Like we don't have nothing, a zero with it. You have to have respect in the street, you see me?
Yeah, respect is something, you understand?
It's earned, right? Boy, Panther, Pink Panther. Yeah, talk some wicked talking there, let's go.
Understand, but right now, as far as how I see things, make it look like you have big respect. You have to earn it. You understand? If you have put your hand on a woman like you beat your woman for respect you. And I say thing, man, Pink Panther, you know how everything come down.
I mean, I say, all that talk, you just talk off your mouth, you know. Remember, say we bad, you know, man, and we run the street, you know. You can't make no girl take with a fool in the street, you know, my friend. Yeah, I move like a soft, so meat ball. If I touch up, if you get in, if you go get touch up, you know. I know meat ball are tough, sitting here, if it start move tough, you know, man.
Yeah, man, Pink Panther, but the thing the way I have a go on with you is not a good look. The thing the way I pre right now, I told you that lead to, you know, jailhouse or graveyard.
Say I tell me, say a jailhouse and graveyard me I go. That you wish for me as a virgin. That you show me.
Watch you, not show me, I show you nothing, you know, but it's like something bad you. You see me? Skelly them all tell me, say them saying a Migla road a walk. You're in the Migla the road a walk, like you want something to just take your life.
No go some youth. How man for you walk in a Migla road, brother? You know, so you change my youth, because you're them fool in this, you come and tell man about walking a Migla road. You feel, say me, I get off, my friend.
Pink Panther, watch you, man. This is not you. You understand? This is not you. You know, normally do them thing where you, them foolish where you go on about the
That
place.
it's no Pink Panther this year look pan. I mean say this I know me a one Pink Panther my youth.
Watch out now. Right now to me, there's a stranger in a Pink Panther body. You understand?
Right now look like you want man a slap you in all your face to me.
So
Man,
where that
your
for?
friend, you know. Better man just cut, you see me?
Big up yourself, man, Pink
I
Panther.
call her move to you know, cause I love how you moving on my youth. Like you switch up, you know. Oh, put on badness, you idiot youth. Badness forever, badness on the ground youth. Do some boy youth. Tell man about put on badness. Badness for life youth.
Tell me say you left out if you go away.
Baba, me going down, I baba
you know-
pull up.
You not go no
I
Baba.
go down there.
You not go no Baba. Me tell you something, you know. Don't play with me, no play with me. No play with me.
God know be.
Hear me, I tell you.
I say I deal with
No
me.
play with me.
I say I deal with me be. Be top fan lick me be, cause me nah lick you, you know. You lick me na me eye be.
Me know why you play with me. You dey move like some loose man out there. I say you dey move now.
With what?
Remember we do what?
Baba, me go and me see cheese somebody down there in I shop.
Hello. Me no idiot. Here? Don't take me for idiot. Go over there, some man.
I say I deal with me be.
You sick my stomach. Here what? Go wash your clothes them.
I couldn't wash them a morning be.
Me say move yourself out of my side before me lick you down.
God no you.
Oh yeah, kiss it. Come back here, sir. Come back. Come back here, sir.
Me no kiss me
Come
teeth
back.
be.
Me say come back here, sir. I kiss just kiss at it.
No be.
Oh. See you sick on me now.
Me no kiss me teeth be.
Or up and left me side. Me text and lick you with it. Rubbish. And when I done come wash my foot too.
Boy, love no easy, no youth, and I love a woman, and I forgot you too much, you know. Yeah, no youth.
Yeah. All right, just understand something, people. When you're getting abused by your girl, it's very embarrassing to tell your friends. And when they hear the stories out on road, and he had to switch it up and turn it to like he's the one doing the abusing, so that he doesn't look stupid. All right, let's continue on, y'all. Straight up.
Oh yeah, man there, man can't even fix your so make the door can flow properly.
The girl's cold, yo. Like she's like, yo, man there. And the man can't even fix the door, make the door floor properly. Meaning, like, you know what I'm saying? The door could be adjusted, and she wants him to adjust it. And every little thing she sees, she's just complaining and saying that he ain't shit.
Oh yeah, man there, man can't even fix your so make the door can flow properly.
So line up that B, man.
Anyways, I go for the road go check my friend.
Yeah.
Understand? Make sure say you do everything in our yard. And cook the food too.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
I don't cook, man. I don't see me a chef already, B. So watch out, I can't go up on the road and I don't cook.
Why you even have that in your intention to ask me that? Huh?
When I beach me a priest, some other make a one walk, go and relax me, doesn't me?
Yeah, what's wrong with this, bro, yo? What is wrong? Yeah, ask your girl if you can go pan the... Yeah.
Okay. Fly by day, pitch by night. Don't make me pass that the beach there no see you. Cause I now go nice.
Same place.
God help you if me no see you. You hear me say?
Stool, man. I look at stool and me always sit down pan. Yeah, man, by the time I come back, man, everything done, man.
By the time you come and everything done, you better make sure.
Certain, man.
Oh.
Wow. I guess this is what Governor means by gal clown. As he goes to do one of the most embarrassing things that you could do as a big man in Jamaica. The man gone to catch water in a basin to go wash out his wife's panty. Wow. Wow. Me have to stand in front of you to embarrass so he doesn't embarrass himself too much. It's crazy. Wow. Yeah. Watch when him have to go hang the panty on the line. Look when he has to go and hang the panties on the line. Look when I look around. He has to look around to see if anybody see him. It's that embarrassing. Girl clown. I said my bad man a road man a girl clown. Wow. Girl clown.
Jessica! Jessica!
Yo, come now. You know, see, get up, my girl. You're going to get stranger to the place. Sure.
Talk to me, because I don't have much time now. Where you here?
This
It's something important.
yeah, girl, that's some important things.
Yes, sir.
Girl, me see your mother beat you. And you reach a hotel, you know, in a dying area. But boy, I don't like that to me here. Okay? You must be your friend, brother. And everybody knows that me your friend and me here. And this thing come out and say I'm gonna beat you. I'm rotted.
Where you hear that
I'm
from?
tired.
Don't know my eye. Where you hear that from?
Me just tell you. This thing come out and just a spread from one news.
Yeah, but somebody have to talk you, so where you hear from? One man or one woman? Who?
What man? So it's true. You got something true? Come here, off here, yeah, look so.
Girl,
I want you.
don't you not even know me I go through?
Right. So true then.
I can never be I can never be lonely.
Yeah, come out the road, yacht.
Girl, stop your crying. Why you know say you need to fix that, you need to deal with that thing, you need to deal with him. You need to fix him. But you can't make no man beat you, brother. You look nice, you can't make man beat you. You can't do that, you have to fix him, man. Your face mash up, no sir. You have to cheer up, girl. That was a joke, man, but you look mash up, I do. But, why? Anyways, I will make him a beat you. How you do? You don't cook, you don't clean, you don't do what you do. You're a hot girl, I know you stay though. Me know you don't like cook all them things, you don't like fast food and them shit this. I must that's why I'm beat your backside.
How where you come to do? How where you come to do?
No,
Where you come to
you
do?
know me your friend, but me I tell you
Answer one
shit.
question. Where you come to do?
Me come to give good advice, make
You
you
know
stop
look
beat
so.
you.
You like you come to bash me.
Me not bash you, but I know me make you get beat. I know make you get
Like you
beat.
come to bash me.
But I know make you get your face licky.
Talk where you want to talk. Talk where you want to talk.
So, girl, stop being so girl. Go like say me now with you. I want to. Me just have to
Talk
laugh
where you
because me
want
not
to
understand
talk
how you will have your face mash up so. Put fun and joke aside still, my friend. What you go do about this? Because you need to make him pay the price, you know. You need to make him get locked up or you bring him to a family court. One of them, because the farm where you come from, I'm not like this. We not grow so. I not like it. It's a girl, yeah. What you mean by now?
You can't carry me no family court.
So I still love blind you? Yeah. No, sir, girl, yeah. No, girl, you have to do better than that.
Me can't do that.
So you're gonna make yeah, so because I love you gonna make him kill you. But it's a girl that don't no, so but your head not depend on your body, but you're not stable.
Girl, I don't understand.
What me not understand?
It's when I love someone.
Yeah, that's a girl, yeah. No, this serious. So me ask you a question. So because I love you gonna make him mad, abuse you.
Girl, when I love somebody.
Ah, deal it. Sting up.
Pull up there, so.
Now I met you know.
Look where I make it pan today, wait up on the line.
Children come down and I reach in back yet, you see me?
Anyways, that me really want to talk about stills, you know. Come here, so. Because me don't want to name, but then you and me have push you. Because you need to be turn on. Come.
What is that? Watch ya.
You ever beat me yet?
No.
Eh? You ever beat me yet?
No, sir. When I beat you for me?
You ever beat me yet? You know beat feel?
Cool a bit.
You know beat feel?
No, you. This not easy na be.
How you just so high?
Who tell us that me say me beat you?
Me say how you just so high? How you feel walk and call up my name boy you beat me up?
No go so be.
Eh? You ever beat me up?
Who tell you that?
Eh? And me if you ask you who you tell that?
Me not tell nobody that.
Listen to me now, you played me now. How you can't take no, we call the broomstick and broke for me. You can't
Me
beat
not
me
tell nobody
up.
so be.
Me say if you can't beat me up.
No, be who tell you that? Who tell you that?
How you just so high? You see next time I call up my name for the road.
Say what be?
Eh? Me go dust you out.
Be just take your hand from me, be.
What? So, you know no manners now.
John,
You
no star, be.
You know no manners.
John, no God, be. What is that, be? Be, easy na be. God, no, you, the girl come here.
Drunk, who you ramp with?
Cool na be.
Who you ramp with? You damn me need that too. No call back.
Easy na be. Be cool na be. Yeah, me say me not tell nobody so be. Yeah, me here say I take some people in my own.
Oh, really? Kyle,
Hmm?
Superman Joker style. Serious note now. Right? We talk on the phone now and the time. Who am I sure every man a beat this stuff so?
Hello?
You not hear me?
One me have the man a beat me up so. Girl, me don't know the relationship is too toxic. The man that's a fan put in hand for me.
But you can't see in a relationship man a beat this you. You don't like that man, you don't like that feel.
Anyways, come out of my business. Go tell call the auntie and this some more me money.
That
Sound love fast, not people business. Hey babe.
Hey, what's up, baby girl?
I'm here. How you do?
Yeah, man. Wait, Mr. Man, wait for calling on guys. And my man, about right here, so if I can't know that's it's over the time done, isn't it?
Yeah, but you already know?
Yeah, man, I wait for them.
Okay. You know, say, better yet, me dey things that if I could have just come at my house and done because I really like the outing thing.
Oh, okay. So it's safe, okay.
What do you mean by if it's safe? Yes, son, it's safe up here, so. In the world bowl.
You don't live with nobody.
No, I'm not living with nobody.
You don't live with nobody. Okay. Yeah, man, put that
Yes, so
Alright, so just send me the location, no?
alright, I'm gonna send you. I just know say you're good, you understand? Alright, what's that now?
Yeah, man, I drive out now, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. So the girl's gonna bring a little man in at the yard. Which part them live? Although she run her yard and bad up the youth, she's actually gonna have the nerve to bring a man to the house. Remember I said mental abuse is different, you know. Mental abuse is different and physical abuse is different. And it look like he might get the two of them. Yeah, let's go. Jesus Christ. Watch out now. Remember to like and subscribe, people. All Jamaicans that live a foreign. Big up on yourself. This brother needs some milk, he needs some help. Let's get to the movie right now. It's boom, bang.
Terrible.
Alright, so the brother reached. This is the guy she invited to the house to ask class.
You sound like a...
Ah, boy.
Thanks. Hey?
Come on.
Boy, she could treat the youth rough, man. I could put up that against him.
It's nice, man.
See that?
Are you okay? Sit down here.
No one, sit on me.
Thank you.
Yes. We get a seat now.
Done, man.
Ouch.
What's up?
Ouch. She living in the yard with the man, you know. The man just finished all wash her panty and them thing they in a dog.
Tell me now.
Yeah, man. Time hot though.
I tell you, that's why I choose to just know what that's a little first, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to drink where it's stress, you see me? Kira, can't make it stress get the best of you see it.
Right, so the man gone to a local bar now. He's gone to a local bar to de-stress.
The beat up that and fling with that. And a bad man in no Kira. Regular, I see boy in the street and that boy all too hard days as you know.
Yo. Man, bad abroad, but a punk I am yard. A boy I am yard.
Yeah man, we run the whole place, the whole globe. No joke no night. One panta here. I really like.
That is it, my father.
So we do it man. I really like.
Feel a joke.
No joke no night bad. So Kira, you know say na game me the one going but me never bother going na game cause three boy them fear man boy. If a boy never played me money, you know say a dirt life, you know man, and a church life, you know.
Alright, with my father. Feel a chatting.
Say you go man. Dirt life. Badness to say.
That a code.
I wonder if you are at up the time. So what's up? I say, you know, so up on the Margarita builder, so I say, I go. So I know you change your mind, you know?
No, let me tell you, sometimes you can't bother with the outings. You understand? I feel kind of like tired too.
Well, I feel good for know, say, I can get invited home, you know what I mean? You look nice though.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. So, I'd say the place look nice.
But you know, in next when me can go out and we can go around nice little place. I understand?
But you know, the first time I ever, not that I really want to come home, you know, but the first time, me now I got to tell you, say, let me come here and ask if you come home. Rather than ask you out, you understand what I say? Yeah. But if you say it, me work with it.
Yeah, so as well, maybe I tell you now. Otherwise, funny going out, me I tell you, so me go renovate the place.
Oh.
And rent it, because I pay somewhere else. You understand? I have somewhere else in my mind.
Okay.
And the place I get older now. I look too nice.
No, man, not say that, man. At least you have somewhere, you know
Yeah,
what I
but
mean?
I just say truth. If I get too like, you know what I mean?
Look nice, man.
You know, be truthful.
What do you mean, I have a truthful? The place look nice.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So, but I mean, when you're ready for the renovation, me assist you. See, man? Yeah, man. I don't know carpenter and mason, you know, but we can make it up the same way. And have some building that good like that. You know what I mean?
We wait it down.
No, sir.
Eh?
Manageable, man.
Manageable.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, so, are you plant them banana there?
No. No,
Nice
you know,
banana.
some because them already come down the other day.
Oh, a gross Michelle call them banana there?
Yeah, I think so.
Or plant all of them things, I mean.
No, I want banana me like and I call it, you know, the honey banana.
And them call bumpy.
And them gonna call Bumpy.
Yeah, man.
Good evening.
I will.
Huh?
Who him?
No, I want to tenant them. You know, she said, oh, speak. I said, I want to tenant them.
You know what tell me, say, you're the rental. You see you? You see you?
Yes.
You can't make money, you know. Yeah, man.
Them girl are wicked, them wicked.
Come on, go pass us.
What happened?
What's a second day, babes?
Hey. Babes, man, call her. It's a second day, babes. That must raise some suspicion, some red flag. I could see how she got angle this, because she don't care.
Babes.
Give me a second here.
So I can call her babes.
No, man, I said tenant stay there. You know, some money we say babes or be pass something there.
Oh, yeah.
You understand?
Ah, boy. And you know, so the girl not even that special. She not really not nothing special at all, bro. That's all like she got body up to her.
Come on, let's have a talk to you.
So I wish man this in my yard.
You want a yard?
I know my yard, but I'm at work, you know, hard me dey on site at work.
So?
I have to come in and see you.
Man must act like man. And that me say, understand, a man must sound like man. What you mean by busy for your work?
So no man me act.
Where you come back yourself?
So I wish man lap that you sit down, you know.
I'm a friend, me can't have friend.
Me not say you can't have friend, but sit down in a man lap so, but you feel say me I go pray. Then things are not right be.
Hello? Me never tell us if you stay out long.
Yeah, you tell me if you stay out long, but me
Her answer was, didn't I tell you to stay out long?
just feel to come in early because I'm going to spend some time with you.
Well, listen to what I say now. I know you run things yourself. Nobody feels that you are work and you're carrying a little chum change money coming in. You feel like you know top man at this. Say clear bubble you out. And listen, stay around yourself. And wait until my friend gone. You come around and so come here and go around and so chat to him right now. You understand?
I say I deal with man. Your brother them a bad man make you deal with man. So.
Our brother could have God man. Our brother them could have a rod man.
Check this out.
He needs some milk. He needs a spine. Imagine a woman come talk to you like that, brother.
Well, listen to what I say now. I know you run things yourself. Nobody feels that you are work and you're carrying a little chum change money coming in. You feel like you know top man at this. Say clear bubble you out. And listen, stay around yourself. And wait until my friend gone. You come around and so come here and go around and so chat to him right now. You understand?
I say I deal with man. Your brother them a bad man make you deal with man, so you know. But it's alright man here. I say I heard man, everything good.
Go around the song and say clear bubbles you out.
Say I heard man here. Your brother them a bad man, you deal with man, so. See, I heard, man.
I don't know if he call you.
Thing good, man.
I don't know if he call you.
Thing good, man.
Sorry, man, till we are glide together, you know, see. We are get a fire.
See, I heard, yeah?
Don't move until my friend gone.
Everything alright?
Yes.
I know you just know some man got you have thick man around there, so. I say, I heard. See, I heard, yeah?
I'm not sure what you are, you are sure what I'm I want.
Let me tell you what happened one day. Show me ask the man for me rent. The man a short off for me. Eh?
But that's not right.
Exactly. So me have to light him up around there 1 and 2 times so.
Yeah, man, if him not do the right thing, I have to go serve and notice for me.
Exactly. You have to go come out, man.
But I don't really too like a vibe. I don't know how I just come like on like a vibe. I don't want to say if I'm, you know what I mean? So, I'm going to forward on next time, man, you know what I mean?
Be I go already?
No.
You really go so fast?
No, I have one little thing to go deal with on the road to man, so I'm off out that too, you know? And check you back in a week.
Alright.
Nice though.
Thanks, alright.
Yeah.
Alright, later, eh?
Yeah, man. Alright. I'll call him a response, huh?
Yeah. Drive safe, yeah?
Yeah, baby girl. Later, eh?
Yes.
Alright.
Watcha.
Oi!
B, man, not jam me.
Man, I jam down with you.
Man, not jam me down, B.
Eh? You don't have no sense.
With what, B? With
You
what?
really don't have no sense. Look at my friend gone. You don't have no sense, eh?
Oh, me fi make your
You don't
friend
have no
gone, B.
sense. You don't have no sense.
Watcha. Be cool,
You
B.
don't have no sense.
Oh, me fi make your friend gone. Eh?
You idiot.
Why you deal with me, so?
Stop lick me now. Why you lick me for? Stop lick me.
Me a lick you, B.
I Miss Daisy. Why you lick me for? Come
Me a
here.
lick-
Stop jamming me now.
B, easy, B.
Stop lick
Stop
me.
and deal with man, so, my youth. You deal with man, so. Me a lick you. Me a lick you.
Why? Stop lick me. Why you beat me up for?
Me a beat up you, B. Me a lick you.
Yo, stop from beat me up.
That make it people, eh?
Why?
Make him neighbor them feel say me a beat up your man. Yo. Well man just can't bother that place there, you know, you. So you don't even know, you know. Left man go left all you have to, you know. God
Whiskey
know.
every night. The room is whiskey every night.
Oh, so I'm all this thing. I'm all this thing in the pan.
You know say me never see say you there some mint ball.
You didn't see me for true?
I swear me never see say you see me.
John no star. How good though?
There you go on easy man.
Them there go and
No,
chillax.
I real life. But them there I go and walk your road there.
Yeah. So where there? Tell me something.
What that there?
Me I wonder if a bleacher something I touch up on different kind of cream, but one part of your hair over here so kind of look black. You have a different color. I don't know what I go on.
So me a bleach man, and this no bleach out good, you see me? This one come out look a better.
No sir, no, you can't tell me that. You see when me I go to school and me used to get thumping on my eye, I saw you look. Wait no, me I talk to you no bossy. I see him so he look, he curve on this is that.
Man, I talk about thumping here.
Watch it.
They man say I bleach, yes, I no bleach out good. That's how me a bleach, but you're so kind of stubborn.
Pink Panther. Pan a big man mess, me I virgin. What really I go on with it? Because you I no bleach is do that.
Nothing no go on with me. A normal thing, man. I throw me a rub from where the man and me nice son and me now wear no glass, so you're so kind of stubborn.
Man, I come back here so with him fooling again, brother.
Nah, lie to you, man. I bleaching cause you see it. No joke.
You know, say all I go and they look like a girl final defend herself. Me feel like, say, you put your hand on her and she hold you and give her a solid thump in your eye. For top.
God know that.
Watch you know, man. Pan a big, me not go really assume nothing, because you're a big man and you know if everything come down. So, what really a go on?
I know say on a big man level, dog, I nah grow on your
Pink
dog.
Panther, what really a go
I nah
on?
grow on your dog, I make you know if full 100 you know. I know say me never
Yo.
beat the girl, dog.
Yo. What?
I tell her me never dare beat the girl, dog. I swear.
You never dare beat fear woman.
Never dare beat the girl, dog. That you don't even know, dog. That you me even want talk, dog.
So tell me something. All this time when me I hear say you are beat butter bro fear woman and you are tell me out of fear mouth say yeah mash up fear woman over there and thing. A lie I tell.
Boy, nothing never go so, dog. You see me, but me just have to just talk that in the street for me thing to look through. You see me?
Okay.
I go on with be things here, dog.
What kind of things?
Be a war woman, war me off, dog. And show me rate the woman and me even want put me hand on the woman, you see me? Least little thing woman a fly up a come put on liquor.
So she do that?
And a big man level she do it, dog. Man I want to show you a pre.
Yeah man.
Between me and you this.
You deal with me a weird on so. Yo, Ray, you know say, man a bad man and I'm slapping on your face.
Right, see Jamaicans, we remember those things, you know. And although you're my brethren, I'm gonna make you know, say, boy, you're wrong, brother. You're wrong and strong too.
Man,
You know?
no bad man, dog.
Yo.
But I'm a woman, dog. I mean, even want.
Who get slapped in her face? No. Who get slapped in her face? No. But on a big man level still, fun and joke aside, I'm a bro. You see me, I laugh off for you. That at least, that's how we do, laugh off for one dog.
It's just between me and you doing that, dog. Nobody don't know nothing about this, you know.
This is between me and you?
Yeah,
no man, me not gonna tell Auntie Bev and me not gonna tell Susie on us.
Yeah, cause Susie and Auntie Bev, them not involved in it.
No, sir, me not gonna tell a neighbor neither. But what me I say? You need to do something about this. Why you not pack up your things and bro and cut?
Like, me love a girl, like, too much, dog.
Wow.
He needs some milk.
Man, say him love a girl too much, he just stay in the beating. Yeah, it was a flat movie I deal with, bro.
I'm going to try to pick up dog, like, taking this a jar, me back.
So you gonna stay and make sure analyze you because I love. Come on, man.
Do something about him, man.
It's easy.
Now, real talk, guys. She's gonna analyze him. The aggression and the way she a move, bro. The way she a move, he might flap himself, man.
Why you not pack up your things and bro and cut?
Like, me love a girl, like, too much, dog. Now, okay, I'm try to pick up dog, like, taking this a jar, me back.
So you gonna stay and make sure analyze you because I love. Come on, man.
Do something about him, man.
It's either you leave her or she I gonna do you something over there. Because black and blue you over here so and walking a Migla road.
And black eye walking, yeah.
You're not doing like that for long. Me no look like me can leave her, dog. Swear.
So why you feel like you can't leave her?
I'm sure you're pretty, dog. I just meet her. She's nice, dog. Good. I never such a stay.
Yeah, but that was then, bro.
See me?
Oh.
So I say I can find back a niceness the way me meet her with, you see.
So
nah, he wants to find back that nice girl that he met when he first met her. It's gone way past that point, my brother. Time to exit the relationship.
It's a question now. Growing up, your mother never tell us everything you left. When you left things certain type of way now, come back, come find it them type of way then and everything lasts ever. You never hear about that part there.
Me say a salvation alone lasts, you see me?
Okay, so that now you not just start to show your kindness. You understand when she get to know you, I worse set a type of girl, man. You understand? I don't really want to believe you know. But you look genuine. Nah, tell her no lie, bro.
Nah, bro, no man, I truth me I tell you, dog, you see me?
But anyways, enough of that. What you plan for do, bro? You have to go sort out this thing, you know.
Right, I know, dog. If I say you go, I have to go just move on, dog.
So not that you have to do.
Get a different woman, you see me?
Anything what she used to do in the past, you can't come back. That done gone and dash for already. And new things are going on, you know. So you have to just understand, say, and they say thing there.
Yeah, move on, man, you see it?
Yeah, man, that's what you do, man.
I want to show you pretty differently, you know, dog. All the thing bother me, you see me?
What that?
I mean, I tell you, so I go up a yard and I go see her sit down in a one nigga like me even know him, man, I tell you.
What you say?
And I tell me, say, a friend.
You know, see a clowny girl take you for, bro. You go up there, go see her in a fair yard.
And a man lap sit down.
fear yard in a man lap sit down.
Me yard in a fear, I live with her in a fear place in about a them live that me yard same way.
You see why man like a we? We have own a residence, we have own a place, not a family place, we know for there.
Not true.
Because see then now you go catch her with man and now you have to show about. You can't tell her to move, you know, because a fear place and you have to show about. You understand? So as me I say, you have to know where you are do. So where you going now?
I just walk the road go up there so.
You have to do what you have to do, you know.
I say I heard you link up, man.
Yeah man, yo, and walking at the middle of the road. The man them tell me say I walking at the middle of the road.
Alright, that's the I heard.
You understand? Walk on them part of the road, you're banking.
That's the I heard there.
Yeah man, big up yourself, man.
Alright, big up same way.
Why, man really go through some things, you know. And then see how man don't get beaten. Boy, man I get beaten, I force me see this. Jaja.
So as usual people, if you enjoy the movie, please give a thumbs up. That's a like. Comment, subscribe, share it. Yes or this or everywhere. See? Maggie Films. 1.